Right. Things are moving along. Oh my God. It's tiring, This is not like walking up the street with a bunch of books, pretending to go to the library to return them, to like bump into somebody. Those days are gone. So anyway, in 2015, that's like 11 years. Oh, it's April 15th, 2015. So it appears that some researchers, they go to the Library of Congress and they check, or maybe they do it from their house because it's what? Digitized. So like the Atlantic world, that's at least 2014. You missed that boat. Keep digging your hole deeper. Like I say things that are not true. Go ahead, Mr. Steele. Get yourself out of it. The best thing, you went there willingly, right? You know the big house is over there. And that problem was resolved because the trustees of those museums where they hid the slaves. Oh, come on. You made up those words. It's something like space. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But that problem has been solved. Consider yourself, I don't want to go there because you might say but the problem has been solved. Whatever. But like, you didn't do it willingly. Sure you did. Whatever. I could care less. Trust me. You'll never get yourself out of what you did, girl. Anyway. So I say it's vanity press. Both Little House and the Waltons, they both got involved in vanity presses. So when this person... Dorrance Publishing contacted me in 2015. One of our researchers has discovered your manuscript registration with the Library of Congress. Well, the problem is, I said, it's that you want. It's just a little paper. You understand? On the Lowell factory workers. These ladies, they answered a church advertisement. I don't care what you did. Trust me. Do you understand that? You have what you have because you have that noggin. Don't think it's good. Your noggin is the noggin that he wants. You need my noggin. Oh, don't. Trust me. Revolutions walked by my grandmother. I don't have to be afraid of anything. You made your bed. And do not think he's going to let you out of it. It's not my problem. Anyway, so I'm telling this guy, but I have a book, The Mumia. But this Lowell, the sermons, well, look, you need to stop watching television and you need to do something else. So the Lowell is, the factory provides religion. It's a long story. Anyway. They answered the flyer in the church bulletin. I still need to find that. It doesn't matter. Like, if you think you did what you did, and like, you're going to get like a designated Lowell factory, and I don't mean to say something, but it looks as if it's a little Massachusetts thing. I don't think you're going to get that because I will never let that happen. I will walk. So I explained to him, and a couple of weeks ago I said there's a college in North or South Carolina that has digitized the sermons. I didn't tell you people well, I'm not even going to go there. If you believe you are worthy, then you go on and you believe it. But God knows. Oh, was that insulting? Oh, I'm sorry. Some of us, and when there were only 2 feet, I carried you. That's all you needs. Trust me. So we got the lectures delivered before the Young Men's Christian Association, and my house was the first YMCA. So that, it carries over. I'm going to put this over there. A discussion of the conjoint question: is the doctrine of endless punishment taught in the Bible, or does the Bible teach the doctrine of the final holiness and the happiness of all mankind? That carries over. A discussion on the important question: do the scriptures teach the doctrine of the final holiness and happiness of all mankind? That one carries over. And God's caress, the psychology of Puritan religious experience. Oh, that one carries over too. Oh, I know, you don't get it. That's all right. You just keep believing you're right. That's good. Right? You keep believing you're right. But Dr. Nelson, and ask that Nobel Peace guy from Johns Hopkins. Ask him. Go ahead. Was Dr. Nelson ambidextrous? Could she write with? That's where you're not. Dr. Nelson, when she was studying to be a doctor, was a kindergarten teacher. She could do it. So that the Lowell is moved because we're not going to look at them. Social science, political participation, my HUD anniversary participation. It's all been digitized. You've already missed that boat too, trust me. You've really missed them all. You don't know where you were. You know, COVID was a very productive time for me. I'm just saying. Well, good luck. I'm having fun. I know what I'm doing. I know where it's going to go. Oh, gone for the most part. Oh, please. In order to do an outline, you need to know the beginning and the end. Not all courses require an outline. Oh, but some of them did. And do you know how Sophia does an outline? If the outline is due in a week and a half, Sophia reads 7 books in 4 days to get an outline. That was not fun. I'm glad those days are gone forever. You're in so much trouble. You deserve it. You deserve it. You really do.